y'all, welcome to my first video of my transitioning chronicles. I wish I would have started this a long time ago, but better late than never. So basically what my transitioning chronicles is going to be about my feelings, thoughts, and any kind of situation that I'm going through about my hair. It can be a ranting segment, but it also can be like the good things that I'm experiencing with my hair. If I sit down and talk to you guys about me feeling good about a style, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to come and I'm going to give you my thoughts and feelings of how I'm feeling. I feel like this is going to be like an emotional roller coaster, sis. So, you know, get your tea and your Kleenex. Well, not that dramatic. And like tune in. So here we go. I decided to do these videos like raw and uncut. So here we go. Today I took down my twist out, which is this. I'm currently 23 months post relaxer, transitioning to natural hair, and I took my twist out. Y'all know twist outs has been my go-to hairstyle for like forever. For like a couple of years now, but I'm really not feeling this twist out. I cut 3 inches off my hair a couple of weeks ago, and I feel like I made a mistake. Like maybe I should just cut 2. I don't know. I'm kind of second guessing myself right now because I miss my length. And I guess it's kind of, in a way, I did good because there's less text-lex ends that I have to work with. But like, sis, my hair isn't really, it's barely sitting on my shoulders right now, so I'm frustrated about that, and I have every right to be frustrated. I know a lot of people might be like, oh, you still have a lot of hair. That's cool, sis, but let me have my hair struggle while you have your hair struggle. Mine is, I went from tailbone length with relaxed hair, transition to text-lex, and hit waist length text-lex, and now I'm bra strap length while transitioning, and that's why my hair is straight. And this is what my hair is looking like right now, that it's not straight, and like it's a huge change for me. So I'm kind of going through it. I'm second guessing me even doing twist outs. I think that it helps my ends blend real good, but I don't really know. I'm kind of a little stressed out about the shrinkage, and that's a reason why I always text-lex my hair, because my shrinkage was like to a minimum. Definitely not the case now, but I know this is a journey, and I'm going to try to stick to this. I'm going to stick to it. I ain't gonna put no tries out into the universe. I'm gonna stick to these. But right now, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like putting my hair in a bun. I just do. I don't feel pretty. I don't know. You know. So yeah, that's kind of how this entry into my hair chronicles. You can kind of see where my ends are a little stringy and less like texture, but I feel like from a certain angle I can pull it off, sis. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next chronicle. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if it was interesting to you. I'm just start coming on here and just letting y'all know like how I'm feeling. But right now, this twist out, it's not gonna go. I'm gonna try a braid out, and I might come on here and like let y'all know how I feel about that. But anyways, hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe so we can be on this journey together. If you're relaxed, thank you so much for continuing to watch me. And if you're natural, hey boo, I'll be there. I don't know if it's gonna be sooner or later, but like, yeah. So thanks to all the beautiful ladies who watched this video, and I look forward to seeing you here again, sis. Like, ow.
I don't give a damn about what they think, as long as I pay rent. I don't even want about my paycheck. I know it's short, but I'm